Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi, and I am back now after having a really bad virus. I know you were missing me last week, and I'm super sorry. I was missing you as well. Before I continue, we are whipping out the Fimo fruits that we got in that Shein haul from a couple weeks ago, and we're gonna make some fruit drink nails. I know fall nails are trending crazy style right now, but it is not fall here. It was 108 degrees yesterday in Las Vegas, and so it does not feel like fall to me. Okay, so we're gonna do some nice, cool, delicious drink nails. Next week is a 3-day weekend for Labor Day, so think of this as your Labor Day drink selection. Guys, we're gonna come in with this first one and do a lemon lime soda, I guess. Lemon lime soda or lemon lime aid. Maybe lemon limeade, but I like lemon lime soda. Okay, so while I go ahead and marble these three colors together, it's the green, the yellow, and then a sparkly green. Let me just tell you that my grandson had RSV, and I think he's just about over it now. I am nearly over it, but I'm still blowing my nose, coughing a little bit, and having a hard time sleeping, having a hard time eating, just the whole 9 yards with this virus. It's RSV. And I'm still not 100%, guys. It's honestly gonna be hit or miss whether or not there's gonna be a video on Wednesday, simply because if I didn't have footage for this already filmed from last week, from like a weekend ago or a full week ago, more than a week ago, like 10 days ago, you wouldn't have a video today because there was no possible way for me to do any work. Now we're gonna go ahead and press these Fimo fruits directly into the wet polygel. It's not cured yet, and that gives it just a nice place to sink into. And then I'm going to come back in with my brush and some alcohol and just smooth it back out. Okay, so when I get sick, I don't just get a little bit sick. I get really, really bad, down in bed, can't do anything but try to heal myself sick. So I've always been that way since I was a little girl. So I just had to focus on that. I had no energy or ability to work on anything. So luckily I had this footage so that I was able to come and make this little video for you. What I'm doing right now is pretty much a waste of time. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that now. I thought maybe it would look a little bit like effervescence to make it look, like soda. Once you encapsulate it, it mostly disappears. You really don't see it. And we are going to encapsulate all of these just to make sure we have a nice smooth surface. You don't see me put these little yellow dots on because I pulled too close to my body. I don't know what I was thinking, you guys. I just left it big like that so you could see. But we've got the diamond pink. All of these polygels are Vrenmol, by the way. We've got the diamond pink and that yellow from the green set. And I'm just swirling these together. Guys, I can't talk today. I still don't feel well. So excuse my crazy voiceover. As I was making this nail, I started to realize it was making me want a Cream Saver Lifesaver candy. Shout out if you remember those. I've not seen them in I don't even know how long, and maybe because I haven't looked for them. Do they even still sell those? But I used to get those a lot when I was younger. I don't want to say a kid, but like maybe in my 20s, so kind of a kid. But yeah, the Cream Savers, super yummy. This one I'm thinking of as lemonade or passion fruit lemonade. So this drink is our passion fruit lemonade drink. And it might be my favorite, actually. I really, really like how this one in particular came out. It's super, super cute. Now, the next one, I was completely out of frame when I did the blobs, putting the little blobs on the nail, so you don't see any of that footage at all. Oh, and with this one, I am gonna put the little micro beads, but I'm not going to do it in a extra layer of clear builder. I'm just gonna put it on now and then press it in a little bit. Didn't make a difference. You still don't really see it that well, and it was a wasted maneuver. If you're gonna do this, use something colored, like maybe a clear pink or something like that, because you're gonna lose the effect as soon as you put the gel on top. So if you had a color, at least that would show up. Now this one, again, we're gonna take it back, and I looked it up. You can order this on Amazon. I have not seen it in years, but I used to be obsessed with this drink called Grape Strawberry Mystic. And Mystic was the brand of juice, and it was a grape strawberry mix, and it was so delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried that. I used to love it. I've not had it since probably 20 years or more, but as soon as I started swirling this together and picking out colors and fruits to go with it and whatnot, I started to remember that drink, and I was like, okay, this is gonna be the Grape Strawberry Mystic nail. So there you go. If you know, you know. If you don't, I'm sorry. Order some from Amazon and let me know what you think. Oh my goodness. I almost started coughing. I'm still a little sick, you guys, so this voiceover is a little rough. It's a little hard. So now we're gonna press in strawberry slices and some grape bunches. Grape bunches, that's what they're called. Yeah, bunches of grapes. Okay, so while I do that, let me just tell you, I really do hope that I will have videos the rest of the week, but I can't promise Wednesday. I can probably make Friday happen, but I can't promise Wednesday. I still feel pretty crappy, and I want to do my nails, and so that should be the next videos are my nails, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to get done. I'm just one of those people that when I get sick, if I don't rest and really let my body heal, I get sicker and sicker, and it's not any good. So I just have to really focus on getting better. And I am feeling so much better that I'm thinking maybe today and tomorrow, if I just work slowly and take everything a little bit at a time, like drill all the stuff off my nails and then take a break, and then maybe do the fills real quick and take a break, and then later the next day or whatever do the art. I might be able to get something up for you Wednesday, but if I don't, please just forgive me. Now let me just say, this is our blue raspberry drink nail. I love blue raspberry. We have this blue polygel. I added a little bit of pink in there for visual fun because the raspberries themselves are pink, and so I just figured yes, but most drinks that are raspberry are blue raspberry, or at least, you know, the kind that are punches and whatnot, and so I decided blue raspberry it is. And we already had a lot of pink going on with the other nails, so, well, at least the purple and pink one and whatnot. So anyway, I thought a nice blue one just to mix it up. Now I'm not actually thinking of these four nails rather as a set. I would think that you would pick one or two as accents and then do something else on the rest. but I wanted to offer you guys different ideas of different kinds of drinks that you could make. I know there's a lot of strawberry drink nails, and I could have just done that, or I could have just done lemon lime, but you know, I had a lot of different Fimo fruits, and I wanted to really just explore what kind of drink options we could come up with. And for fall, we've got those little apples, so I was thinking we might do like a little apple cider drink set coming up soon for fall, so definitely look forward to that. And here we are, just going to go ahead and do a quick encapsulation on this nail. And then I'm going to, of course, buff everything out a little bit off camera just to make sure it's all nice and smooth, so that when we go ahead and come in with that top coat, it looks really, really good. And I'm not sure why I left all that dead footage there. I guess I thought you wanted to just really look at that. I don't know, guys. I edited this, I think, when I had a fever, so I'm sorry if it's not super good. That's all I can say. I'm sorry. Here we are coming in with some top coat. Now, everything on this set, other than the Fimo fruits and this top coat, is Vrenmol. All the Polygel and the Builder Gel are Vrenmol. The Fimo fruits were just some cheap stuff that I got off Shein, but I have to say, I really like them. I've never used Fimo fruits before, and I found these to be very nice to work with, so I wouldn't hesitate to buy them again, although I can't imagine I'll be using them up anytime soon. This top coat, though, is... my daughter bought me a Saviland kit a while back, and these two mini top coat, base coat collection, or sample is the word I want to use, was included. They were tiny, tiny little bottles, so you couldn't call it anything other than a sample. But I hadn't used them ever yet, so I thought, let's go ahead and pop out that top coat and see what we think. And honestly, it's not bad. It's very shiny and it's thick. So if you like a thick one, maybe try Saviland. These are the finished 4. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really love that. We're going to see you very soon, hopefully on Wednesday. You guys have a great day. Mwah! Bye-bye.